Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have my friend Jacob and his 2010 Infiniti M35X. Just bought this car recently. I'm glad we finally got our schedules to align, but awesome car. 3.5 liter VQ V6 under the hood. Oh yeah.
You want to pop the hood?
No, we should be good.
All right. Also got the navigation here.
Perfect.
This is the VQ35HR, so it's the high
revving. Yes, red line at 7,500, which in a four-door sedan is absolutely crazy to me, but
same here.
I didn't know you could go around this way, but I like that.
Yeah, it's entryway's been here for a little while now. It's about a few years now. So wherever you want to go, you can either go take this left or you can take this right if you want.
Perfect.
My first time being passenger in this car after a while. And if you want, when we get on the freeway, you want to give it a little bit of gas, you can just pop in sport mode here. Oh my god. I'm so glad I bought this car almost 9 months ago.
Yeah, and you know, these cars, this is when Infiniti was really trying hard to make cool, fun cars. They had the G35, and then, you know, Infiniti wasn't around at this point. They were just getting started, so everything, they really had to make it perfect. They had to try their hardest, and they really made some really fun driving cars.
They still do.
They absolutely still do. We've drifted away from it. Now we don't have the Q50 and everything, but we have
the Q70 5.6 Sport.
No, which we had one, and it was before I got there, and I was really upset about that. We get them in service every once in a while, but the 5.6s, they're rare. They're very, very rare, especially in the L's and the Sports. They're both very rare, hard cars to find.
I found one all the way in California, the Sport in Iridium Blue, has 60,000 original miles.
How much?
They're asking almost 40 grand for the car.
Yep, that makes sense.
No surprise, it probably retails for like 44.50. I checked on KBB, it said 44, the highest it's worth, but it's like, I thought to myself, you know, just because of the rarity of the car and this exact mileage, because how low it is, I could easily get probably a lot more than 44, give or take.
Yeah, I mean, obviously you have to worry about the shipping and everything like that. And is it rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive, actually.
Oh, there you go.
So,
you know, it's...
One cool thing about this car is it does have the adjustable armrest here.
Yes, I remember that was the thing. At this time, they had so many little kind of quirks, and I loved how everything was organized in them. What's really nice, your dash isn't cracked. That was a very, very common thing with these cars.
It does have a little minor crack over there, but it's like...
Oh, that's nothing.
Yeah, you can barely see it.
These, I mean, you could stick a finger in some of the cracks and some that I've seen. They're pretty prone to it. That's the word I was thinking of. Having a brain fart.
But I just love the car because it has all the soul and character and just how analog it is. I originally was going to buy, there should be a little straightaway here, so if you want to drop a couple of gears, feel free. I love this on and off ramp. It's one of my favorites.
Oh yeah, I've taken the Boxster here more than a couple times. I used to do a bunch of instructing on track. It's been a couple of years since I've done it, but
what did you work for? Extreme Experience?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah, I worked for Extreme Experience. I did a couple events with them up at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. So whenever they had somebody who purchased a ride along and stuff like that, I was the pro driver.
Wow. Do you want to take a right or a left?
I was gonna go left, and then that just takes us. Yeah. They finally added the sign that traffic from right does not stop.
They added it here finally a few months ago.
Because I can't.
People still do stuff.
Oh, absolutely.
So it's like, when it's the right time, it's like, I don't like this intersection. It drives me bonkers.
Yeah, it's not ideal.
Not really.
But even so, you know, being a 2010, but they had this feature a couple of years before this. Radar cruise, lane keep assist. Infiniti was actually the first one to bring radar cruise to market.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
In the what was it, the QX50? No, what was the? Oh, FX. The FX. That's what.
FX50.
Yes, the FX50 or the FX. I think 45. It was at the time in like 03. It was the first car to feature radar cruise control.
Wow.
And I was like, that's pretty actually impressive. Given, so we actually have, obviously we're the first ones to do the VC Turbo 4. We're the first ones to do a backup camera. We were the first ones to do pine cones. We were the first ones, lane keep assist, obviously Pro Pilot assist. We have a lot of firsts, and I think nobody really talks about that.
No. A lot of people, unfortunately, from what I see, including my friends, they pardon my mouth, they shit talk Infiniti so much. And
Yeah.
it's like, you guys don't understand how good of these cars are. And the people that shit talk them saying like Volvo's better, Audi's better, it's like, you gotta look into their side of the story. Come on.
No, absolutely. It's one of those things where, you know, it's Infiniti. They had the G35 Coupe in 03, and that won all kinds of awards.
Indeed.
And they make some really good cars. The new QX80, I've spent a lot of time in it. That's a phenomenal car. And to put up an SUV that can compete with the Escalade, that's been doing it for years, is pretty impressive.
And the fact is, it's just as fast as the Escalade, even faster. Just
Well, not the V, but yes. Although we are...
No, like, there's just the base QX80 itself. It has a twin turbo V6 that could keep up with not even a V Escalade, but the normal Escalade.
Yes, yes.
Unbelievable.
Although we do have something in the pipeline that may compete with the Escalade V that I've been hearing talks about. It's not exactly, well, no, it is public yet because they launched it at Pebble Beach. The track spec that we're 99% sure is going to production.
The track spec and the terrain spec they dropped a couple of weeks ago.
Yes.
I saw a video on that.
The terrain spec, I don't know if
I almost bought that truck. Sorry.
The terrain spec I don't think is coming to market. There's no real market for it, but the track spec to compete with the Escalade V more than likely is coming.
That would be awesome.
The sedan that everybody's like, I doubt it's real. It is real. We don't know about the manual thing, but it has been confirmed that is 100% real. It's in development. I believe at this point they have a running driving prototype of it. So that we have that to look forward to. We also have a couple small SUVs coming. We have something based off the Rogue platform. A replacement QX50 is coming. So even though at this point in time we are making 2 models, we have way more in the pipeline.
That's great.
Everybody that's talking about Infiniti saying they're closing, they're doing all this and that, we're not closing. We're hitting reset. We're figuring out our future brand identity, hitting reset, and just going from there. If we were closing, we wouldn't be launching new concepts because those cost millions of dollars to produce. We wouldn't be refreshing our cars like we are. We have a lot of stuff in the pipeline that not many people know about, and Infiniti's not going anywhere anytime soon.
And I do have faith in this company, like a lot, mostly because this car it's very special to me, actually. My dad, it was the year before I was born, 2008. I was born 2009.
God, that makes me feel old.
Yeah. My dad had the same exact car in 2008 as Elise. It had the wheat interior, the Desert Shadow metallic paint job. It was an M35X.
It's one of my favorite colors.
Yeah. And just because I bought this car over a turbo diesel Mercedes I was going to buy at my school,
yep,
it makes it so much more sentimental to me.
Absolutely.
It's like, and just because my dad had to get, like, I don't know if he gave that car up when the time we had our financial struggles when my siblings were born, but it's just like, this car, the fact that my own dad had this car makes it more special for me to have it, because I'm going to keep this for as long as I can, and hopefully tell my kids the story about this car or pass it down to them.
Absolutely. And it's the same story, you know, when a car has sentimental value, you just love it so much more. This is a great car,
100%.
Great car to begin with, but once you add some Sentimental parts to it, it's unbelievable. But Jacob, thank you.
Jacob.
Absolutely.
I'm so glad we got to do this.
As am I.
Man right now.
So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.